Guys, what's up? It's me, Calix. Today we'll be playing Roblox again, but this time we'll be playing Car Crash System. Yeah, I've been hearing it a lot, so let's get into the video. Okay, Car Crash System. Let's go. Alright, we're in the game. Oh, we're loading. Alright. Alright. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Alright, what do you guys want? I really like Downhill Crash. I tried this game. I'm going for the 23 server. Alright, we're in the game. Right? Yeah. Let's go for the downhill. Oh, so many people. It's so chaotic. Okay, let's go for the car spawner. I really like the carrier truck. I already inspired because it does this. How can I see? I can't see that much. Alright, go. Let's go. Oh my gosh, you need shift lock for this. Whoa, 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 oh! I'm going off the cliff. I think I'm gonna go off the cliff. Alright, got flipped over. Let's go. Oh my gosh, my car. I think these. Oh my gosh, I fell. Oh my gosh, I gotta brake. Brake. I can't. It won't let me. Oh my gosh, it won't let me brake. I'm gonna reset. Goodbye. Okay. Let's go again. Let's see. Let's see. What? Alright, let's try out the past Hydra. Or the bounty char. It does a lot. It's a lot of speed. Alright, let's go. Bro, somebody got damaged. No, I don't want to sit. I want to drive. Hey, move it. Move it. Alright, there you go. Thank you. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh! Alright, at least he helped me go downhill, right? He made me go downhill. Okay, next game, I think next game we're going to play. I think we're going to play a different game. What kind of game? I don't know. I just don't know what game. Like, oh, I remember the video I posted, guys, and it just said, and it was not normal. It's because I noticed that the comments were turned off, so in this video, you will just comment here instead. Alright? You all can just comment here because my last video, the comments were turned off. Yeah. So I crashed. Just gotta reset again. Why do I always gotta reset? Downhill. Alright, let's go pick out another car spawn. Yo, the ATV, that would be a rocket, but I like the King. Let's go try out the King rocket. Oh. Fancy, but let's see how fast it can go. Come on, boost! Wait, there's no. What happened to my car? What happened? You know what? Let's go for the bounty chore. Let's go. Go. Wait, I can go to my POV. Wait, I can click POV. It's sick, but I don't want that. That's sick. Yeah. Let's go. I can just do the turning. Yo, turn, turn, turn. Whoa. What? Oh my gosh, she crashed. Dude, how much? No, I'm almost at 4. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. No, I missed the jump. I actually missed the jump. No. Missed. Wait, leave? No, I don't want to leave. Reset. Respawn. Okay, downhill. Ooh, let's try out the new car. School bus. Alright guys, we're gonna go to school. Hurry up and get inside. Hurry up and get inside. We're gonna go. I'm stuck. Who's behind me? Sir, can you please get out? I'm trying to drive my school bus. Sir, can you please? Please, can you let me through? Fine then, I'll stop. Sir, can you please hurry up? Yeah, finally. Finally. Oh! Phew. Oh. I think I just bumped into him. I lost my headlight. Wait, what happened? Am I stuck? No, you gotta be kidding me. I'm stuck. Oh, respawn. Let's respawn. School bus. Alright, kids, let's get. Whoa. Slippery? No, I didn't order. Slippery. Full speed ahead. Oh my gosh, I think I'm stuck. I'm actually stuck. Oh wait, I'm not anymore. Oh! Okay, let's just keep going. Oh my gosh! I ran into a bus. Oh my gosh, he lost all of it. He lost all of his items. What about me? I mean, my side is. My side is okay, but if I fall down, I'm gonna crash. Let's see how much is the damage when I fall. Goodbye. Woo! Alright, it's not that much. Alright, I gotta reset. Okay. Oh my gosh, what the? Camera's always adjusting. Okay, now let's try out the new car. What car? Oh, an F1 car. Oh, I see those in racing. Alright, let's go. Let's see how fast you can go, big boy. Let's see how fast you can go. Let's see how fast. Okay, this guy's going fast. Okay. Oh my gosh, I lost stuff. I'm not going to that ramp. Whoa, watch it there. Yo! Whoa! And I crashed. Reset. Okay, let's try out the F1 car again. Alright, F1, you never fail me. What is happening here? Aura R8. My god, my Aura. What happened to my Aura R8? I'm gonna go respawn it. Aura R8. Alright, come on, you. Got drive, boy. You gone drive, boy. You gone drive. Yo, what? Hello? Can I move? Oh, I see why. I gotta back up, and then move. I gotta back up, and move. That's it. Alright, let's. Alright, there we go. Yo, I think my. Dude, what happened? Something broke? Alright, we're going max speed. Max. Oh, no, 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 no. We're not going on the side. We're not going on the side. Whoa. Woohoo! Yeah. Oh, I saw someone crash. Oh my gosh, my side, my side, my side, my side. Oh. No, 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 no. And I fell again. Well, reset. Reset, reset, reset. Wait, let's try out the helicopter. Wait a minute. Let's try out the helicopter. But if I don't know how to use it, I'm respawning. Whee! Oh my gosh. Ah! What did you... Just died. I died because of the helicopter. Dude, I'm not choosing helicopter ever again. I'm not choosing helicopter ever again. I'm not choosing helicopter ever again. Yeah, I think I should get a new microphone. This microphone sucks. Like, I'm on the headphones, but this headphone sucks. It's an AirPod. A wired AirPod. So I want a microphone that has a microphone on the side. Like, just like that. Alright. Let's go. School bus. Oh no, bus. Let's go for bus this time. I'm gonna go. This is the Norway execution. Please hop on. We are preparing for departure. Come on, hurry up, get in. Alright, no one believes my driving skills. Race, we have a race with the school bus. I'm the better school bus than you. I'm the better bus than you. I'm the better bus than you. I'm the better bus. I'm gonna crash into you. Boom. Take that. Oh, I lost my front. I lost my front. I lost my front. Huh? I lost my front and I lied. Okay, I really need to respawn. Okay. Okay. Downhill. Okay, let's try out the bus. Let's try out the bus again. The bus. Bus never fails. Hello? Bus? Oh my gosh, you got lifted, huh? Let me drive. Yo, what did you guys do to my bus? I already lost pieces. What you guys do to my bus? Okay, let's go crash into that guy. Wee! Beep beep. Oh my gosh. Wow, that was a big mistake. I just lost it again. I got exploded. Okay, do it again. Not on me. Oh my gosh, my back's already broken. The back of the car is already broken. The back of the bus is already broken. Yo, oh, I'm gonna face you. Let's go. I'm gonna crash into you, bro. Oh wait, what the? Hey! Boom! Take that. See ya. Ha! Got him. Good. Never mess with me, bruh. Try to mess. Whoa! That was a big mistake. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm gonna fall off. And I fell off. What happened to my pieces? Okay. What's wrong with my wheels? What happened to my wheels? I think I'm gonna reset again. Alright. Downhill crash, obviously. Okay, let's go face with that big boy. Boss. Got a boss. Oh, I crashed into that person's car. Okay, I got some competition. There's that guy. And take that. Boom! Oh my gosh, I think that was karma. I got karma. Okay, I'm gonna run into him. Watch this. I'm gonna run into him. Why? I'm gonna run into him. Oh, wait, how's he going faster? Wait, he's going faster! Dude, how's he going faster? I wanna get faster than him. Come on, I need to get faster than you! Oh! Alright, thanks for the boost. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow, 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 wow. Oh my gosh, I lost it. Set. Downhill. Okay, this time we need a fast. I'm a school bus. I'm a school bus. I'm gonna run into you. I see that guy with the bus. You see that guy with the bus behind me? I'm gonna run into him. Yeah, I'll watch this. Alright, I'm going. Hey, get over here! Boom. Did it even do damage? Bro, it didn't even do damage. Wait, am I stuck? Oh my gosh, I'm stuck. Oh, never mind. Oh, I thought I was overreacting. Let's go get that bus. I'm gonna get that bus. Come over here. Oh, no, 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 no. No, 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 no. Can y'all rate my mic quality? No. I bet y'all are gonna say no. I bet y'all are gonna say no. I think I'm blocking the way for them. Wait, what happened to the car? What happened to their what happened to their bus? Oh, time for me to go. Rum, rum. Rum, rum, rum. Here comes the June Doom. Woohoo! I'm going fast. I'm gonna go fast. We haven't lost anything so far, so turn. Oh! Turn again! Oh no, I'm gonna crash, I'm gonna go inside. No, oh, I'm still alive. Oh, my back tires, no. Oh, this is fine. Did I lose my driver's seat? Yeah, I did, I think I did. Yeah, it was fine. Okay. I think I'm gonna pick I'm gonna pick a truck this time. This truck is gonna be big. Okay, let's try out truck. Ooh, yes. This is what I'm talking about. I'm stuck. Alright. POV. Yeah, I love this POV now. Oh! Okay, that was just fine. We're going fine. Wow! Imagine one of those Roblox memes where it's like real life and then you just crash into someone. Oh! Whoa! Ah! My goodness. Can I turn now? Yes, I can finally turn. Oh my gosh! No. Let me to the side. Woo! Let me to the side. Okay. I dodged. Let's go. Yeah. I'm going fast. I'm going as fast as I can. What happened to my truck? Something happened to my truck? Yo, guys, what happened to my truck? I'm gonna click POV in 3, 2, 1. My back is broke. The back is broken. Came off. That's what happened. Okay, I'm gonna go to the. I want to try out the most realistic crash gaming. The car crash. Right. Downhill. This time it's an RV, I think. I want to try out an RV. A lemon door. My gosh, I crushed it. Okay, what happens if I do a big... Wait, watch this. Oh no, it missed. I'm gonna go. Hurry. Before he leaves. Go. Come on, carry your truck. You're so slow. Is it because of the cars behind you? Alright, POV. POV time. Oh my gosh. Where's the POV? Oh! Please. Okay, good. I'm safe. Goodbye, cars. Now I look like a cherry carrier. Now I look like a carrier truck. Oh my gosh, that's going out of control. Alright, I'm still fine. Still fine. I'm gonna turn. Let's go to the side. Okay, the side's actually pretty good. Let's go. Ah! Yo. Oh my gosh, mate. The back. Yo! I'm dead. I want to reset. What happened to what happened? What? Let's see. Oh, fuel truck. The giraffe. Okay, POV. Let's go for POV. Yeah, let's go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Still fine, but what the heck? What the heck? What do you want? What do you want, bro? Stop pushing me like my car is only 1 kilogram. Stop pushing me like my car is only 1 G. Oh, thank you for the boost. Thank you. But does everyone block my way? They don't want me in the way. Everyone's like blocking my way. Whatever. Let's go crash into somebody. Woo! I want to crash into somebody real badly. I want to see how it's like to crash into somebody. Yeah! Okay, let's go for the side. Side! Woo! I'm sliding down. What happened to the truck? It's back. Oh, no. And I'm dead. What's that? Where's my sister's avatar like that? What do I want? I want a normal car this time. I want a normal car this time. Let's go for a police sedan. Oh, sorry, bro. I'm in a pursuit, so I'm going to be in pursuit. Move out. Get out of the way. This police business. Police business. Get out of the way. This is police business. Get out of the way. This is police business. This is police business. Ooh, he gonna have a big crash. Okay, I can see my engine now. Oh, wow. What happened to my game? Whoa, what the? They add this on purpose? Why am I just fall? How do you get there? How do you get here? Wait, why did I just leave? Okay, gotta go back in the game. I have to get back to the game. I want to get to like 29 people, and then I'm gonna join in. It's like 30. 74,000. What can I buy with 74,000 cash? Wait, should I go for downhill crash, or should I go for train map? Yeah, I should go for downhill crash. Downhill crash sounds more fun. Let's go. Let's go for the police sedan again. sedan. That's fine. Watch this. Yeah, I'll watch this. Wait, no, it didn't even do anything. Hey, get it back here. No. Alright. Police sedan, please. F. Okay, this guy is always blocking my way. Can you please just stop blocking my way? You keep My back is getting exploded! Okay, van. Come on, police sedan. Okay, he's blocking everyone. Edis, stop. Stop it, Edis. What? I'm gonna wait for him to come here and then I'm just gonna block him. I'm just gonna wait for him to come here and then move. No funny business if you come over. This is actually such. Wait, watch this. Watch this. Wait, no! No! It's P! It's on P! No, I'm at parts mode. Go! 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 No, go! 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 Oh! He just blocked me with that, I think. I think he just blocked me with that. I think it's from Demon. Demon! I can't get out. I can't get out. Bro, what is this? What is this? What is this? I can't get out. What is this? I'm going to. Come on! You finally am out. Is that Edith's car? I need something bigger than that. I need something bigger than that. Found it. Got an idea. Take that. Take that. Take that. Take that. Wait, no, it's Demon. Bro, what is going on? What is going on? Bro, what's going on? Okay, time for me to get my police sedan. Time for me to get my police sedan. Okay, get in. Woohoo! Full speed. It's on P. No, I don't want that. Okay. Oh! No, I got flipped. Oh my gosh, my car! My vehicle! Oh, I can see the end. No. And reset. Come on, I need to reset. Hurry on. Yo, watch this. Wait, I'm gonna wait for should I just wait for someone to should I wait for the small car? Perfect targets. These are the perfect targets. Wait, no. Which one? Let's go for this guy. That guy. Watch this. Wait, when I go, when he goes, I'm just gonna wait for him to go. No, not him again! Get out of the way! Eat us! Get out! Dude, this guy is so annoying. Get out of the... Get over here! I hate you, Edis. I hate you, Edis. I hate you. Bro, I hate you, Edis. Wait, watch this. Are you kidding me? Bro, are you kidding me? Watch, this is your punishment. This is your punishment. That's your punishment. Monitor. Perfect target. No, that's not a perfect. He's blocking the road with his car. He's blocking the road with that. You serious? He's blocking the road with that? Yes, I passed it. Okay, we're getting there. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I lost it. Car! No! I passed it! Whoa. might have crashed. But it's okay. I'm going back. I'm getting back to him. You never fail me! And you failed me. Never mind. You didn't fail me. You didn't make me go down. I spoke too soon. So wait, do you guys hear me if I'm not holding up the microphone? Like, because I'm not even holding up the microphone. Like, watch. I'm gonna talk while I'm not holding it. Hey, oh my gosh. Now when I'm holding it. Hello. So, I think I want to try out the Toyota chest. Wait, what's that? Toyota chest. Get over here. The Toyota chest is like this. Oh my gosh, Edith, get out of the way. Get out of the way with your stinky ass avatar. Get out of the way with your stinky avatar. You go now. Goodbye. Whoa, I lost control. I lost the front. This is what you get for... This is what you get. Yeah, that's right. I'm gonna hit your front too. Yeah, I broke it. So what are you gonna do? Wait, did I crash into him? Wait, did I just crash into him? Wait, did I crash into him? Watch this. What? Wait. Smack in the back. It didn't even do anything. It did. Get. I'm wrecking my car for this. I'm gonna wreck my car for this. Okay. Let's go for the smallest vehicle. Wait, I don't want the smallest vehicle. The Ferrari. Yeah, it's the Ferrari. Ferrari. It's not really a Ferrari. No. P. Perfect car spotted. What is wrong? What? Yo, what is this? POV. Oh my gosh, I lost it. I got exploded. Alright. Whoa, what is that? I'm gonna bring my mounted chore. No. Don't fall, little fella. Bounty chore. I meant bounty chore. Whoa. Back up. Whoa, ouch. Excuse me, Race King. I'm just gonna go turn behind. What happened to my engine? Bounty chore. Turn. Get out of the way, Ipin, get out. Oh, thank you. Oh my gosh. My goodness, bro. My camera's adjusting again. Okay. Get out of the... Why is everyone always spawning? Not again. Bro, I can't get him out. Dude, do I have bad luck? I have bad luck, bro. I have bad luck. Finally, I get to see what's up here. No. Ooh, what's this? What's this area? Yay, finally. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. POV! There's POV. Oh, just crash. Respawn. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that. Moving the table. Oh my gosh, how is it so? Let's go try out King Rocket. Get out of the way. This is the bull. Is that CC News? Oh, I'm super sorry about that. Here you go, sir. Oh, what did you do to my car? You two, get over here. Mounty Chore, get over. What is wrong with them? Dude, what is wrong with these people? Why do they always trap me? Mounty Chore, get over here. Dude, if I see anyone crash into my car, watch. I'm just gonna stay AFK. Watch. I'm just gonna stay AFK and watch. They are going to crash into me. If anyone blocks me, I'm gonna... This is my perfect chance to block. You hit me. You hit my headlight. That's it. I'm going to hit you. Take that. That's Edith's car. That's Edith's car. He lives in the school bus. Take that. Boom. Didn't do anything. Cheap. I got crushed. I got crushed. What did you do to my precious car? Yo, and that's it. Yo, is that what? Okay, where's Edith? Where's Edith? That's Edith. If anyone hits me, if anyone hits me, I'm gonna do something. What is happening back there? Let me turn. Let me turn like this. Dude, Edith is so... Target found. Going. Starting to move. Target found. Starting to move. Whoop. Yo. Pee. Target found. It's on the way. On the way to attack. Oh my gosh. Chicken banana. No. Sorry. Alright, now I lost it. And I think this is it for the video. Please like and subscribe, guys. And I hope you guys have a nice day. Bye.